What's up, everybody? Just got done having some lunch. About to take a ride so I can tell you what's happening in the next 2 weeks. Roll that intro.
Y'all cut off all that damn racket. Okay.
So I want to tell you about what is happening in the next 2 weeks. This Saturday, April 17th, we are going to be on the telethon. This is for the World Record Poker Run. What this is going to do, this is going to raise money so we can send veterans on the World Record Poker Run for free. When we say we're going to take them for free, what it covers is the lodging, the food, gas, entry fees. They only have to have a bike that will make it, and they need to be able to get to the start and get to the finish. I mean, when I say finish, when they leave Sturgis, they have to be able to get home. Now come April 22nd, that's next week, next Thursday, we will be at Treasure Coast Harley-Davidson, and we will be enjoying their bike night. We got invited down to hang out. They're going to do the launch, the Aerosmith Harley-Davidson collaboration clothing line. They're going to have a big launch on that. And they're going to have a live band, a live Aerosmith cover band. And then that's from 6 to 9. The reason we always keep telling you guys is because we're hoping our followers will come out, hang out with us. We want to meet more of you guys. That's the whole reason we started this. The whole social media stuff was really to meet people. We don't make a dime. We just do this so we can meet you guys, give you guys some good footage, just have fun. Once we leave there at 9 o'clock, we're going to hit the road and we are going to Nashville. Go up through Georgia, might stay the night in Georgia, then head on in Friday morning into Nashville. Don't know, just depends on how tired we'll be on the road. We are notorious for riding all night and going for 24 hours, so you never know about us. So Friday we're going to be in Nashville. Saturday we're going to be in Nashville. There are going to be some other YouTubers showing up. It's my birthday weekend. And it is Moonshine Harley-Davidson's 2-year anniversary. We're going to go over and hang out with those guys since they built this big built bastard that I always call it hellacious. We'll end up riding over there. They got a bunch of free stuff. But we'll be doing rides with the YouTubers and everything else. Anybody else that wants to come, hit us up. We'll tell you where we're at. You meet up, ride around. We're going to go out Saturday night, have a good time with everybody for birthday. Sunday morning, we're loading up. We're going to take a ride. We're going to go back down through Alabama, then through Pensacola, and back to home base. So Thursday to Sunday, we're going to lay some miles down. And we're going to have a good time. Because it is my birthday weekend. So of course we're going to do something crazy too. But yeah, just a short video, just me out riding around, telling you guys what's happening the next 2 weeks to meet up. And if you haven't liked or subscribed or hit that little notification, please do on our channel. It's helping us out big time, especially being a smaller channel. And the funny thing is, I've ran into older people. I had to explain the whole subscribe thing. Let them know you don't have to pay to subscribe. It just means that you'll get our videos when you pull up and it shows you things you should view or you like to view. Our videos will come up and they'll let you know when we make a new video. So that's been a fun thing, letting the old people know. So, you know, thanks for the short. Yeah, let me know how this has turned out. I just got all this set up, been working on it, trying to get something pretty good. We'll see where it goes, because I was not wanting all these mics and wires and everything. I'm running everything through my Cardio into the GoPro. So let me know. It's been a tough time trying to figure it out, but I figured it out. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe again. Let me know how this turned out. Follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, and come out and see us sometime this week. See you later.